How to delete Rednote account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Rednote account or application on your device and make sure you have logged into your account. So as you're logged into your account, also make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device before starting this whole process. So as you're logged into your account, it will take you to the user interface of Rednote app. So all you have to do is tap on the three lines over here at the top left corner of the screen. So just tap on it, and as you tap on it, it will give you different options. So just tap on the application yet again, and as you tap on the application, you just have to press or tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen that will be given over here. So just wait for a while and just tap on the hamburger icon. Now as you do that, all you have to do is tap on this settings icon at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on settings. As you tap on settings, tap on this account security option at the top. Now as you tap on account security, at the bottom of the screen you can see the option of account cancellation. So tap on account cancellation, and when you tap on account cancellation, it will take you to a new page over here. So it will give you different instructions. So just wait for a while it loads you to the instructions. So let's wait until the page loads over here. So it's here in a different language altogether, but what it basically does over here is it simply sends you the OTP or one-time password to your preferred or associated account. If you have logged in via mobile number, it will send you an OTP to your mobile number. If you have associated your Google ID, it will send you the Google ID, the OTP to your Google ID. So you just have to send that and the account will be cancelled and the Rednote account will be deleted. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.